Do you ever finish a full day of work, look back and think, wow, I literally didn't do anything today. Why am I so tired? It's not that you're lazy, it's that your energy is leaking. Some things give you energy and some things take it away. And most of us have no idea which is which. So today, let's fix that. Energy management is a hidden superpower. We've all been trained to manage our time, but without energy, it's useless. We can schedule a perfect day, even down to the minute by minute. But if our energy crashes at noon, well, none of that really matters, does it? So in this video, I'll show you how I track my energy to find out what my biggest energizers and drainers are. You'll leave with a simple but effective 7-day exercise and a totally new lens on how you live. Here's the core issue. We live reactive lives. We wake up, scroll a little, answer some messages, sit in a meeting that no one asked for, and hang out with people we didn't choose. And then we wonder why we're exhausted. Energy isn't just used by what we do, it's drained by what we tolerate. That unfinished task, that one person who always has something to complain about, that thing we've been putting off for 2 weeks that we'll get to next week, yeah. Those are all energy drainers. The best analogy I can come up with, it's like when your phone is running 47 background apps, even if you're not using your phone, the battery still dies. I used to think I was just a bad morning person, but when I tracked my energy, I realized it wasn't when I woke up, it was what I did first. On days I opened Twitter first, brain fog all day and exhausted by the time I got home. On the days I walked my beautiful little puppy Nova, way more clarity, way more energized throughout the day, and just in a better mood overall. I woke up at the same time, I'm still the same person, but that one little difference in my day had a totally different outcome. Here's what I did. For 1 week, I tracked my energy 3 times a day. I wrote down what I was doing, who I was with, and my energy level from 1 to 10. Patterns started showing up quickly. I started to realize that some people are instant battery chargers and others slowly exhausting drains. Let's try this right now. Think about the last 3 things you did today. Grab your phone or a notes app, write down 3 simple activities. Now, rate each one honestly from 1 to 10 in terms of how it affected your energy. Not how productive it was, but how it felt. What do you notice? That's your first clue. This stuff is simple, but it's powerful. I didn't need more motivation. I needed to stop doing things that killed it. My energy was my feedback. It told me exactly what activities aligned me with my life goals and what didn't. After that 7-day audit, I made 2 lists. You got your energy givers and your energy drainers. I started designing my week like a playlist, stacking my energy givers early in the day and batching my drainers together so I can knock them out one by one by one by one right after the other, and then taking breaks afterwards. I stopped waiting until I was totally burnt out to start to recover, and that was a huge bonus. And another bonus, I asked myself, does this cost me more energy than it gives me back? That's what I like to call your energy ROI. Some things are hard but energizing. For me, deep work, coaching, and workouts. Others feel easy but slowly kill my energy and mood, like doom scrolling, gossiping, and fake yeses. High effort with high return equals keep it. High effort with low return, cut it out if possible or redesign it. If you've been feeling unmotivated, lost, or tired, it's not a character flaw, it's a signal. And you don't need a productivity system. You need to listen to your energy. So here's your challenge. 7 days, 3 check-ins a day, and drop a comment with 1 unexpected energy drainer and 1 thing that secretly fuels you. Let's build this list together.